Namaste everyone. Today I, Kabir Nahata from grade 8 of Imperial World School. I am going to show you an activity related to exponent by paper folding. Now I am going to show you the value of 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2 and 2 power 3 by paper folding activity. Now I am going to show you the value of 2 power 0, which means 2 parts but 0 times. So how many rectangles are there? 1. Now I'm going to show you the value of 2 power 1, which that is 2 parts 1 time, and 2 power 2, which is 2 parts 2 time, and 2 power 3, which is 2 parts 3 time. Now I'm going to show you the value of 2 power 1 through paper folding activity, which is 2 power 1 means 2 parts but 1 time. So we'll fold it 1 time. So how many rectangles do we have? 1 and 2, which means 2 power 1 means 2. And now 2 power 3, 2 power 2 means 2 parts but 2 times, which is, we have already done the 2 power 1. Now we will do it 2 power 2 twice. So we have 4 rectangles. Now I'm going to show you 2 power 3, which means 2 parts but 3 times. So we have 2 power 2. Now once again we'll fold it. So how many rectangles do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, which means 2 power 3 means 8 rectangles. Now I'm going to show you what is the value of 3 power 0 through the same activity. 3 power 0 means 3 parts 0 time, and 3 power 1 means 3 part 1 time. 3 power 2 means 3 parts but 2 times. Now I'm going to show you the value of 3 power 0, which is 3 parts but 0 time. So now I'm going to fold this 3 parts but 0 time, which means I will not fold it. So how many rectangles do I have? 1. Now I'm going to show you of 3 power 1, which is 3 parts but 1 time. So we'll fold it. So now how many rectangles do we have? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. This means 3 power 1 is 3. Now about 3 power 2, which means 3 parts but 2 times, which means we already have 3 power 1. Now again we'll fold it. So how many rectangles do we have again? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 3 power 2 is 9. I hope you enjoyed my presentation and learned something new about exponent through paper folding activity. Thank you.